Hello everyone, welcome to Chem India Academy. Today in this video we are going to see CSIR NET organic spectroscopy previous year questions, which are asked in CSIR June 2018 and CSIR December 2018. Now this first question from the CSIR June 2018. So in this question we have to find out the M+2 ion peak that is about 4% of M+. So we know that this sulfur atom has two isotopes which having natural abundance is 96% and 4%. So we can say the only sulfur atom has this possibility. So correct answer is the sulfur. Now next question from CSIR June 2018. So in this question we have to find out the total number of isotopic peak observed in this compound. Okay, so if you look at this compound, here is the plane of symmetry, okay, which is passing through this plane. So if you calculate the total number of total number of non-equivalent carbon atom, that will give signal in carbon-13 NMR spectra. So this is first, second, this is third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So total 6 non-equivalent carbon atom are present. This indicates that our compound will show total 6 signal in carbon-13 NMR. So correct answer is the 6. Now next question from CSIR June 2018. So in this question we have to find out the correct structure for this organic compound which having this above NMR data. So if you look at this signal 7.9 ppm and next is 6.6 ppm, this indicates these two signal having the doublet and J value equal to 8 Hz and for 2H proton. This indicates that our compound is para substituted. So our option third and fourth can be cancelled. So either option first or second might be correct. Now next data, if you look at this 4.0 broad spectra singlet for 2 hydrogen D2 exchangeable. This indicates that our compound has total free NH2 group. Okay, so look at the compound which having free NH2, this compound. Okay, so our option first is the correct answer. Now next question from the CSIR June 2018. So in this question we have to find out we have to match the hydrogen and chemical shift value. So if you look at this structure, so this if you look at this H2 proton and this H7 proton, and here is the positive charge indicates that this ring has positive charge, okay, due to reaction with H plus ion. So this ring having shielding effect, okay, de-shielding effect. Now if you look at this H2 and H7, they are attached to the sp2 carbon atom, okay, and we know that the sp2 carbon range is the proton attached to sp2 carbon having the chemical shift value in between 7 to 8 ppm, but due to this de-shielding, this H2 and H7 will show the chemical shift value more than this 8 ppm. So this H2 and H2 and HC proton will show the chemical shift value 8.5. So just look at which option having the H2 and H2 and H6 proton having chemical shift value this 8.5. So in first option, if you look at this, yes, having 4 option correct. Okay, so in this indicates that our first option is the correct answer. Now next question from CSIR December 2018. So in this question we have to find out the 31p proton decoupled NMR spectrum of dimagnetic this MER isomer. Okay, if you draw the structure of this MER isomer, then this is this structure. Okay, this is the structure of this isomer. So here total 2 types of phosphorus are present. So if you take the proton decoupled phosphorus 31 phosphorus NMR spectrum, then it will show total 2 signals. So correct answer will be the 2. Now next, so in this question we have to find out the correct structure of the organic compound. This IR value 1720 indicates that our compound is a conjugated ketone. Okay, so option B or D might be correct. So option A and C are the incorrect. Now if you look at our chemical shift value 4.2 ppm quartet for 2 hydrogen, this indicates that our compound has COOCH2 functionality. Okay, so just check which option has this functionality. So option B has this functionality, that is COOCH2. Hence option B is the correct answer. Now next question from the CSIR December 2018. So in this question we have to find out the correct structure of the compound, okay, organic compound from this NMR data. So if you look at our IR value 1724 indicates that our compound is conjugated ketone. Okay, so just look at option which having the conjugated ketone structure. So only B option has this conjugation. Okay, Okay, so option B is the correct answer. If you look at other structure, then there is no conjugated ketone. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. So in this question we have to find out the stereochemistry of methyl group and the chemical shift value for methyl protons. Okay, so when this compound is treated with the light, then it shows the 4+2 cycloaddition reaction. Okay, and it shows the Kohn rotation. So due to Kohn rotation, the stereochemistry after the chemical reaction will be unchanged. In the reactant, the stereochemistry of methyl is trans. So due to Kohn rotation, stereochemistry of methyl group in a product is also trans. Okay, so we know that these outer hydrogens are the highly deshielded and inner protons are shielded. Okay, so due to shielding effect, the chemical shift value is highly decreased. So if you look at our option D, the methyl are the trans and chemical shift value is -5. So our option D is the correct answer. Thank you guys for watching this video.